Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to learn about preposition. A preposition is a word that placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relation to some other words in the sentence. preposition noun या pronoun से पहले जो लफ्ज़ आता है जो सेंटेंस में मौजूद दूसरी चीज़ों के साथ ताल्लुक़ को वाज़ह करता है उसे हम preposition कहते हैं. For example, she goes to school with her father. Ali lives in Lahore. The book is on the table. This book is for you. With, in, on, for all are prepositions because they show link with other words. Now we are going to learn about kinds of prepositions. First of all, simple preposition. After, at, by, down, up, in, on, off, for, of, to, till, over, through, out, etc. are simple prepositions. Next one is compound prepositions. About, against, across, within, until, into, beside, before, without, behind, beneath, below, inside, outside, etc. are compound prepositions. Next one is double preposition. Out of, from, under, from beneath, outside of, from out, from behind, etc. They are all examples of double preposition. Participle prepositions. These are participle of verbs used as prepositions. For example, considering, regarding, accepting, notwithstanding, concerning, etc. Phrase prepositions. On behalf of, by of, because of, with regard of, for the sake of, instead of, along with, by means of, etc. are examples of phrase prepositions. Hope you get it, guys. Thank you so much.